We are here this morning to share information with the entire public that yesterday at around 20:00 hours, the National Police Service, we conducted a sting operation within Kisii town, whereby we have been receiving numerous complaints from members of public that their phones, their gadgets, laptops have been stolen. So in the process of our operation within some business premises in the town, we managed to recover some electronic gadgets, to which 351 mobile phones, assorted mobile phones, 20 laptops, 13 assorted tablets, 21 assorted hard drives, and we also managed to arrest 14 suspects who we believe that they are connected with this offense. So the suspects are in custody to be charged with the offenses of computer misuse and cyber crimes of 2018, and also stealing. So this morning we are moving to court to seek miscellaneous applications so that we can hold them, we finish our investigation, and probably we can arraign them before court on Monday. So now we are calling upon members of public to come forward and identify these phones and these electronic gadgets so that they can assist us also in recording statements and become our witnesses. So that's our plea to the members of public. They come forward, identify. Already we have one person who has identified some phones, and we are calling for more members of public to come forward. We believe these phones are being stolen from our neighboring counties like Nyamira, Migori and Omabay. So let them come forward and identify. Tulipata hiyo habari ya kwamba kuna hiyo biashara inaendelea, lakini tulipata kufanya operation kwa duka moja, lakini bado operation inaendelea, sababu tunaamini ya kwamba ni biashara ambayo imekita misisi, lakini uzuri ni ya kwamba tumefaulu kunaza hawa wenye walihusika kwa hiyo ni kitendo. This is what has been happening, and we believe this one it's a breakthrough, and we are able to get more of the suspects. Already there are some other suspects who we believe they ran away, but the law will catch up with them very soon.
Kwa majina naitwa Caleb Onyango. Niliweza kupoteza simu yangu mwezi wa Julai, lakini niliripoti mata kwa police station, na nimeshukuru sana, wamenisaidia, wameendeleza kutafuta simu, wamenisaidia sana, nimeshukuru. Nimepata simu yangu kwa siku ya leo, nimebeba nene ya Samsung, nimewashukuru, wamesaidia sana. Haya, simu yangu nako iliibiwa ndani ya nyumba na watu nisio wajua, pande wa Jogo Kisii. Pana bado sijaifungua, lakini ni tu venye ilikuwa hivi. Sijaifungua ndani, lakini nimepata, ndio hii simu yangu nimeibeba mkononi.